realizing that it was a while since I fitted in some tubes, but I have actually decided to move my engine back 100 mil so I can have more clearance for the radiator, because the radiator were sitting where I have to have put the fuel tank, because I'm not allowed to have the fuel tank underneath the driver's compartment, which is, well, I guess it's logic, but this is the safest place in the whole truck, except for the driver compartment, of course. But now I have to move it back. So I have to put the radiator here, and my magnet is actually hitting the radiator. So I have to move it back about 100 mil. That's 4 inches, Ed. 4 inches. So we'll see how it goes. But the way it is, you do one. You put your angle finder on the tube and steering it out, and then you put it on the other tube and look if it is 0, and it's almost 0. So that's a good fitment, and of course it has to be a tight fit all around. You don't want to weld some gaps, because the weld will shrink and the tube was not able to shrink, and therefore it's gonna be out of tension in it. So I'm going to figure out what to do with the rest of the tubes. This is just for taking the load from the 2 bearing tubes that are coming from the roof down into the chassis. It was used to go down to the lower compartment, but I removed it, of course. Yeah, see how it goes.
Happening here is the F-16s arriving in Ukraine.
Something else I have to change is the midplate. This one is aluminium, and I have to have steel because the other one won't last. So I'm doing a bigger one as well, and yeah, just drilling out the holes and then cut it out.
Pre-notified launches drills or attacking systems with a very sensitive Russian infrastructure, like it happened, for example, today. It's been reported that Russia lost one more
Ministry of Defense, they put out a video showing the destruction of a Russian Book air defense system. If you want to see it go boom, I'll link this.
Get a chance to talk about what we got going on here. This was in between our second round with Scott Taylor and our third round.
Aldrin and Neil Armstrong planted an American flag on the surface of the moon. The entire world watched them do it. Lies a small white cloth pouch. Inside that bag is a gold olive branch, a symbol of the aerospace engineer at their lunar receiving laboratory. If something came back from the moon, he helped catalog it, including photos taken by the Apollo astronauts. It was stunning. There were alien cities in 1970 was on the moon.
This comes as the U.S. Treasury Department on Wednesday announced new sanctions aimed at stopping countries like China from supplying
military and conflict management.
Small mistake there.
Långvarig lenhud.
everything else up.
The belt on the fuel pump, fuel, check the oil. You gotta put it.
Corey LaJoy around bringing out the first caution. He was running 20th. And it's not.
And that's it for this video. The engine is in, and by doing that I created another problem. I have to move this 13 centimeters, and that means everything behind the engine is wrong. So that's for the next video, I guess. So I hope you liked it, and if you did, put down a like or a comment. And if you're new here, why don't you subscribe? It's free. It really helps the channel. So I see you next time, I guess. This is midnight in midsummer in Sweden. It's not that dark. Thank you for watching. And enjoy the owls. They just left the nest.